Hey, it's Joe Marcoux, and I'm with my very good friend, Afro Duritu, and we are doing something super special. It's the Offer Mastery Workshop. This is happening in March on the 13th. And Afro is with me because he is going to be running this. I'm so thrilled to be able to host this and have Afro do this for you. Afro, can you share with everyone what exactly that we're going to be giving everybody?
So the key thing here is we're going to help you to create a new offer that's going to increase the LTV in your business. That's the lifetime value in your health coaching business. Because we all know that getting someone to go through your offer again and again can be a bit monotonous. We want to create a new offering that's going to increase the value for them and for you as a business. So we're going to take you through a step-by-step process to increase that lifetime value and give more value to your clients.
So the bottom line is this is going to be done very quickly, and you're going to be able to go step by step, and you're going to work with us. This is not a speak shop. This is going to be a workshop. We're interactive. This is what we do. So we're going to have a lot of fun. And the value of this is truly $2,495, and it's free. All you got to do is click the button wherever that is, register, come for free. It's going to be a fast 60 minutes where you're going to get a ton of value, and it comes with a guarantee. The guarantee is this: if you're not delighted with what Afro is going to give you that's going to help you continue to grow your business with less work, then you're actually going to get a course from me that I usually sell. I'm going to give it to you absolutely free. So literally, you have everything to gain. We're going to see you on March 13th. This is at 11 o'clock Central Time.
That will be 5 p.m. UK time.
Excellent. So we're going to see you at the Offer Mastery Workshop. We'll see you then.
See you guys then.